Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and it's another unboxing video. Let's jump straight in. Let's start with this one. Oh! It's got a hole in it on it. What the Is this the original wrap? Or has this been put on? Alright, well, I'm not going to open it any further from here for now. I've got to do some more research. Whether oh man, I don't know what's going on. It's ages since I bought this. I'm going to have to look back at the original ad. There is a chance this is the original shrink wrap. Okay, leave this one with me. Yeah, wow. Now we've got some more razors. Let's do the razors. Get razor blades, I should say. Plenty of these. I went a bit silly, I think. I'll soon find out, see what they're like. What have we got here? Let's do this one down here because I know what this is. Here's another Zenith brush that I bought. Out she comes. And this is a boar. I've already got a boar and a horse, and I wanted another boar brush. And as you saw in the earlier video, I bought another horse. I really like them. I think they're a bit more ethical. Like, of course the boar is dead to get these bristles, but good chance that they've used the rest of the pig for food or at least pet food and other products. And horsehair, well, that's totally ethical because from what we've been told, all they're doing is just giving the horse a haircut, just trimming up its mane and tail for equestrian. So some people cry about the horse one. Oh, it stinks, it stinks. Yeah, it does for a little bit. But stick with it. Have a few, soak it overnight. Just the brush only. So you just do the bristles only, soak it. And then rinse it out the next morning. And then use it. And use it a few times till you get your soap scent through the bristles, and that the funky scent disappears quickly. Right. Okay. Oh, it's a Gillette Imperial Cleanser IMP. There we go. Oh, they've left a blade in. It's a bit knocked up, but I've got a spare one of these somewhere, I reckon, so we'll probably swap it out. Oh, there's a bit of a crack. Looks like the only one. Once you start collecting these Gillettes, you realise that the crack in a lot of these old Gillettes is common. If you get hold of ones without cracks, hang on to them. So there's the top of it. Compliments of Imperial Metal Polish Co. Philadelphia, PA. That's why I bought it. If it didn't have that engraved in it, I probably wouldn't have bought it. It's an old Gillette blue blade there. Let's see if we can... Oh, underneath's seen better days. The old razor blades. Too dangerous for their own good. Might just pop that in there till I get home, and I'll dispose of it responsibly. Just pop it all together. There we go. Nice. It's a good score. I'm happy with that. It's quite good condition inside. And on top looks nice as well. But well. We don't look at that side anyway. Ah, lucky last. Now, some of you out there already know what we've got. And it's a Silver Star razor. That's in good nick, that's why I bought it. Let's open it up. There we go. Alright, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video.